In the money score, some Packer fans are petitioning for the team to sign free agent Colin Kaepernick now that star quarterback Aaron Rodgers is sidelined with a broken collarbone. More than 3,700 signatures are on the petition to turn Kaepernick into a Packer. Right now, Kaepernick is battling to keep his career in play. He started the peaceful protests of kneeling during the national anthem to bring attention to racial inequality and police brutality. He now claims no NFL team will hire him. We turn to attorney Ed Clinton for his analysis.
Well, first, thank you for having me, Angela. I would say that in general, workplace collusion cases are very tough cases because the person who believes they're a victim of collusion can't find a job usually in the entire industry, like Kaepernick. The problem is that in most cases there's very little legal relief for collusion, and it's very tough to win a collusion case.
Ed, have you ever dealt with claims of collusion?
In my own practice, I did represent a young podiatrist who believed that he was a victim of collusion in the industry and he couldn't get a job. He unfortunately had no legal relief. Kaepernick's situation is slightly different because he's a member of the collective bargaining agreement. He's part of the labor union. He does have some means of relief. He's filed a grievance with the NFL. There'll be a process, but still the burden will be very tough for him to prove that the owners colluded against him. He does have, to digress for a second into the sports part of it, his statistics are far better than many of the quarterbacks who are now playing in the NFL. So you would have to have an argument that he should be playing. The owners can say, though, that they didn't choose him for any number of reasons that don't have to do with collusion. So Kaepernick is going to have a hard time to prove why they didn't hire him, even though he's statistically qualified to be a quarterback in the league, and in fact is better than, unfortunately, many of the quarterbacks on NFL rosters currently.
Thank you, Ed. NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell will address the league today with his plan on how to move on.